Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on iPad Air. So you have to start by opening your App Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click on this icon to install your app. Now you can click open, and here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click skip, and you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click skip, and now you have to click confirm. And then click get started, and as you can see my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.